In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and subpages to your Weebly site. If you're new to Weebly or just looking for a refresher on organizing your site's structure, you're in the right place. Weebly makes it simple and straightforward to add pages, giving your website that neat, organized look you've been aiming for. Let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Weebly site editor. The Weebly editor is where all the magic happens, and accessing it requires you to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. From there, look for the option that says Edit Site to begin. Now that you're in the site editor, the next thing you want to do is locate the Pages tab in the navigation bar. This is usually situated among other options like Build, Theme, Store, and so on. Clicking on Pages will open up a new section where you can see all the existing pages of your site listed in a clear format. Once you're in the Pages section, it's time to add a new page. You will notice a plus sign, which is your way to create something new. Clicking on this plus sign will give you several options. For today's task of creating a new page, you'll want to select Standard Page. This is the most common type of page, essential for most basic website structures, and perfect for adding the new content you want to showcase. After choosing the Standard Page option, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm. This is where you can give your new page a name, making it easily recognizable and relevant to its content. Once you've entered the desired name, make sure everything looks good, then click on Done to complete the process of adding your page. It's that simple. But what if you want this new page to be part of a drop-down menu, effectively making it a subpage of an existing one? Weebly has made this step very intuitive. Simply take your newly created page and drag it slightly to the right beneath the page you want it to nest under. You'll see it position itself as a subpage, forming a neat hierarchy structure. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new page and learn how to make it a subpage, enhancing your site's navigation and usability. This simple organization keeps your website looking clean and professional, and visitors will appreciate the ease with which they can find content. Feel free to play around and adjust as you expand your site. Happy building, and thanks for tuning in.